Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're gonna see what is introduction to the Java and what are the history of we have in Java. So let's get started. What is Java? Java is a popular programming language and a platform. Java was developed by the Sun Microsystem in 1995. It is owned by Oracle. More than 3 billion devices run Java. Okay, this tagline we're gonna see whenever you wanted to install a Java in your local machine. So you're gonna see something in the installation wizard only. You're gonna see this message. Okay, so where it is used for? So mobile application development like Android application, desktop application, web servers, application servers, and games and much more. So Java programming language platforms. There are four platforms available in Java programming language. First is Java Standard Edition. Second is Java Enterprises Edition. Third one Java Micro Edition, and then Java FX. So all Java platforms consist of a Java virtual machine and a application programming interface. Java virtual machine is a program for particular hardware and a software platform that runs on the Java technology application. An API is a collection of a software component that can run to create other software components or an application. Each Java platform provides a Java virtual machine and API. This allows application written for that platform to run on any compatible system with all the advantages of a Java programming language. What it supports is nothing but it is platform independent. Then we have power, stability, ease of use, and security. Next is what is Java Standard Edition. When most people think of Java programming language, they think of a Java Standard Edition API. Java AC API provides a core functionality of a Java programming language. It includes core topics like object-oriented programming, string, regex, exception, inner classes, multi-threading, I/O exception, networking, AWT, swing, and then reflection and collection. So throughout this series, we're gonna cover this Java Standard Edition only and the core functionality of a Java programming language. So this is the stack diagram where we have lot of what in Java Standard Edition, lot of things has been covered. If you know this thing, so that is okay. If you don't know, so don't worry. We're gonna cover one by one, each topic. Okay. So if you wanted to see this, so you can pause the video and just read all the things. Okay. So we'll move to the what is nothing but next is Java Enterprises Edition. Java Enterprises Edition is built on top of a Java Standard Edition. Java Enterprises Edition provides an API and a runtime environment for developing and running a large-scale, multi-tiered, scalable, reliable, and secure network application. For example, Servlet, JSP, Web Services, EJB, JPA, Spring Framework. Okay. Then this is the stack diagram for Java Enterprises Edition. Okay, where we have Servlet, Web Fragment, JSP, JSF, and JSON, WebSockets. Lot of things are there, so you can also pause the video and just read this things. Okay, and what is the next thing is nothing but Java Micro Edition. Java AMI platform provides an API for a small footprint virtual machines for running Java application, Java programming language application on small devices like mobile devices. Okay, the API is a subset of a Java Standard Edition along with a special class libraries useful for a small devices application development. Okay, in this we have application as a let's say mobile application. Then we have embedded devices applications such as washing machine, TV, and fridge. If you wanted to build a software for that, so you can use this thing and probably create that application. So this is the stack diagram. If you wanted to see this component, so you can just pause it and read it accordingly. So next is nothing but Java FX. Java FX is a platform for creating internet-rich applications using lightweight user interface API. Java FX is an application used for hardware acceleration, graphics, and media engines to take advantage of higher performance clients and a modern look and feel as well as a high level APIs for connecting network device or data sources. So we're gonna not see this thing much. Why? Because we're gonna cover Java Standard Edition for now in this tutorial series. So now we're gonna see what is history. Okay, history is kind of like interesting. So let's get started. So in this we have James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and then Patrick Nickton initiated a Java language in June 1991. The small team of a Sun engineers called Green Team. Initially, it was designed for a small embedded systems like electronic appliances like set-top boxes. First, it was called as a Green Talk by James Gosling, and the file extension was .gt. After that, it was called as a Oak. So the rename was happened, and now it is called as a Oak. Was developed as a part of a Green project. Okay, why Java named as a Oak? Oak is a symbol of a strength and chosen as a national tree of many countries like USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. In 1995, Oak was renamed as a Java because it was already trademarked by Oak Technologies. So Java is nothing but it is an island in Indonesia where the first coffee was produced. Okay, called as Java Coffee. Initially developed by James Goslin at Sun Microsystem, which is now a subsidiary of a Oracle Corporation, and it is released in 1995. In 1995, the Time magazine called Java one of the best top 10 best product of a 1995. JDK 1.0 was released in January 23, 1996. The first version of Java, it was like JDK 1.0. And if you see nowadays, so we have Java 17 LTS. Current version is 20, but we're gonna always prefer LTS. Why? Because it has less bugs in the what you can say that JDK. So that is why. And the upcoming version is nothing but Java 21 LTS, which is coming in September 23. So let's wait for that. What you can say that JDK. Let's see what features they're gonna provide. So that's it for what you can say introduction and the history of a Java. So we're gonna see you in the next video. Thank you everyone.